Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back. In this video, I will create a quiz. This quiz is about while loop. I create 3 questions for this quiz. Number 1. Write a code to print all the values from 1 to 100. Skip the numbers that are divisible by 3 or 5. And the second one is write a program to find the factorial of a number. And the third one is write a program that input numbers until the user enter a negative number. The program calculates the average, maximum and minimum of all positive numbers. I hope you try your best to solve these problems. In next video, I will solve this quiz. If you have any question, you can ask me in comments. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.